You may have noticed that within some pages in Steps to Language levels 2 and 3, that some pages have a cell with 3 stars in them. For instance, on the Actions page there is a cell with 3 stars. When you choose the cell, it takes you to a second page called Actions 2 with more content on it. You may want to add more content to certain pages. So for example, you may want to add more content to the Outdoors page and add a cell with 3 stars on it to link to more content. In order to do that, first go into Edit mode by selecting Menu and then Edit. I now need to duplicate the page by selecting Page and then the Duplicate Page button. Now give the page a name. Use the page name with the 2 at the end of it. Then set the page to be added after the current page and then press OK. That creates a new page called Outdoors 2. To delete the content, first select the top left cell and whilst holding down the Shift key on the keyboard, left click the bottom right hand cell. Now either press the Delete key on your keyboard or do a right mouse click on your mouse and choose Delete. You now need to add 3 stars to a cell. Select a suitable blank cell and then select the Image button. This is a page with orange cells, so select the Gallery option and search for orange stars. Once you see the correct image, select it and then choose OK. Then, to link to the cell back to the first Outdoors page, choose Add Action, go to Page, press OK, and then select the page called Outdoors. Rather than coming out of Edit mode, you can follow the page link by selecting it in the Go To Page action. Now, to add 3 stars on the Outdoors page to link to the Outdoors 2 page, follow the same procedure. Choose Image, search for orange stars, and add an action to go to the page called Outdoors 2. Finally, come out of Edit mode by selecting Menu and Done Edit. Now you can confirm that your 3 orange stars jump between the pages Outdoors and Outdoors 2.